How would you choreograph some exercise movements for your arms and hands to stretch out those articulations and help the blood flow while you are working at your desk? Think about it while you practice numbers in Albanian.
Si do të koreografonit disa lëvizje ushtrimesh për krahët dhe duart tuaja, për t'i shtrirë ato artikulacione dhe për të ndihmuar rrjedhjen e gjakut, ndërsa jeni duke punuar në tryezën tuaj. Mendoni për këtë ndërsa praktikoni numrat në shit. Here we go. Ja ku shkojme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great! Keep it going.
E shkëlqyeshme. Vazhdo kështu. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. 14, 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17, 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, 19, 20, 21. 18, 19, 20, 21.